good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. Well, hashtag JRideReviews family got yet another epic review over here at Coastal Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Woo! Say that a couple times fast. In Quincy, Florida. And today we'll be reviewing a 2023 Ram 1500 Bighorn 4x4. I actually said it on the first tape. But there's something more about this particular Ram. It has an extra package to it. This is the Eclipse by Sherrod Edition, which looks great. Essentially, you got a Ram 1500 with the Hemi, all that good stuff. But then you add this package. The package includes these wheels, the lift kit, nice touches all the way around, nice badging, and so much more. When we hop in the interior, I'll show you a couple more things in there. Y'all check this thing out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all that good stuff so that y'all can see more videos from this brand. And I have something else special I want to share with you guys, either in this video or I might just do a separate video. But I'm in the mood to giving back, helping people. That's part of my brand. That's part of what I do. And I have a special mission that I want to ask you guys and gals to help me with. So y'all hang tight for that. It's a blessing for someone. And I'm just going to use my social media and all the avenues that I have, all the people I've met along the way, to try to reach this goal, to help somebody that is down. And we're going to lift each other back up, because that's what God wants us to do anyway. Y'all hang tight. So as you can see with the Sherrod package, you get all kind of nice touches here. But check out this exhaust. Listen to this exhaust. Don't that sound good? I gotta check and see if that package does anything to the exhaust on these things. Nice sound from the factory. What y'all think? All right, crew. So we are gonna hop in the interior of this 2023 Bighorn Ram 1500 4x4 Eclipse by Sherrod Edition. Wow, that's a lot. You get the nice embroidery here in the headrest, very nice touches. I love this quilted look on these seats. They're very comfortable, by the way. You got your carbon fiber, you got the big old screen. Woo, she's nice. Got the panoramic sunroof, so you can catch some sun rays while you're driving down the highway with this big boy, or rather if you're off-road driving this big boy. Whatever you want to do, be safe. But y'all hang tight. We're gonna hop in the interior real quick, give you a preview of that, and then we're gonna take it out here on the road. I want to see how this lift kit, how these what I call mud grips, all that stuff perform on road, where a lot of this probably where this vehicle's life gonna be on road, and just give you guys a virtual test drive. Y'all hang tight. Just wanted to give you a preview of the back seat as well while we're getting through to the driving phase of this review. Once again, you get these nice leather wrap buckets here with this wonderful looking stitching. These seats fold up. You have storage here in the floor, little coolers, plenty of leg room. This is a crew cab, by the way, so this is the extended 4x4 or 4-door, by the way. You got your Uconnect stuff back here. You got some charging ports. You got this awesome looking carbon fiber. You got 2 cup holders there. You got 2 more cup holders there. Hold my beer. Hold my beer. You got speakers up in the headrest. You got curtain airbags. Once again, you got that panoramic sunroof. LED lights all in here. This thing is sweet. Sweeter than a diabetic or something like that. I ain't gonna go there. Take that back. But anyway, it's sweet. Y'all hang tight. Are you smiling at me? Are you smiling at me? Are you smiling at me? All right, crew. So we are about to take this Ram 1500 with the Hemi out on the road with this special edition Eclipse by Sherrod Edition. It's got the lift kit, it's got the big tires, it's got all that good stuff. I just wanted to give you all a virtual test drive, see how this thing drives with this kit and all these other nice touches. Essentially, you have a RAM here, a fully loaded RAM at that. You got carbon fiber everywhere, soft touch leather everywhere. The big screen, we're gonna crank it up here in a minute, let y'all see that, and we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and start it up. First things first, you got the high quality key fob here, nice weight to it. It does have remote start, lock and unlock, and panic alarm. As long as you have this in your possession, it's a pretty simple thing. Just hit the push button start right here. You get the bighorn emblem show up on the center of the gauge cluster. This is a LED analog mix cluster, very nice touches. I always did like these new clusters in these Rams. They look very, very good. Lots of menu items that you can go through, driver assist, lane assist, miles to the gallon, trip information, start stop if you want to use that, trailer tow stuff. It's just so much going on here. You got your audio controls, you can go through there, messages, you got Bluetooth on this side of the steering wheel, you got your cruise control stuff over here, you got your gear limiter here, you can do a manual if you want to shift manually, you can do that here. You got your headlight controls here, nice touches. But look at this screen real quick. Look how big that is. You just don't understand how big of a screen this is. It's the new Uconnect system. You got your manual air conditioning controls here, lane assist here, air conditioning controls on this side, but you can also go in here and do the air conditioning controls and all that stuff in here. You got navigation, you got a high definition reverse camera. I'll show you that real quick. There you go. With trajectory back there, nice touches there. You got your trailer steering, you can do here, tow haul mode, all kind of stuff. This package, according to my contact Skylar, actually gets you more towing ability too with this package, so that's a nice touch. You got your automatic four-wheel drive stuff here, touch button type. You got this turn dial for the transmission selector. This nice touches, USB auxiliary ports there. Nice soft touch materials. These Rams really have nice interiors. You got the carbon fiber, man, everything. And then this stitching on the seats. Y'all probably heard me say that a couple times. It looks amazing. And then you got this big center console. I call this the boss console. This in case, you know, you the boss, you got to carry all that paperwork and all that stuff. It does split two ways, so you got this flat area here. Good stuff. Cup holders here, chain separator here. Man, you got everything you need right here. But the gist of this review is to give you a perspective of how a vehicle that has a extra dealer option as far as the lift kit, the tires, all that good stuff. The exhaust too is louder than a standard Ram, and it's just an amazing place to be here, as y'all can see. Look at this. There's plenty of room. I should have got back there in the back seat because it does have the crew cab as well. Just nice touches everywhere. Y'all hang tight. We gonna go for a spin. Y'all hang tight. First things first, safety belt on, headlights on, fog lights on. We want to be seen and heard with this big Ram. And here we go. First things first, you are way up in the air. This is about as tall as that 4x4 dually I did not too long ago. This thing is up in the air. So yeah, this nice touches all the way around. Thank y'all Coastal Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Quincy, Florida, for your continued support of the brand, of the channel. Hope we can continue to keep it going, man, as long as we can, as long as y'all let me. And hopefully my work pays off in the sales department and all the other good stuff and promotion. That's what this brand is all about, promoting people through my channel, through my brand, and make it work. Teamwork makes the dream work. So at idle inside the truck, it's super quiet, but man, is that exhaust rumbling outside. It sounds good, so it's nice touches. Y'all hang tight. So here we go. How does a stock pickup truck with a lift kit option, dealer installed lift kit option, ride? It rides good. You can't even tell that this thing has the big mud grips on it. But then again, essentially the Ram is one of the best riding full-size pickup trucks that you can buy. But this is just testament to the chassis. The chassis is actually super smooth as it is, and then you add these big grips, and man, I feel like I'm way up in the air. Throw your hands in the air. Sit down, sit down back there. Be quiet. So yeah, man, I tell you, for this to have this lift kit on here, I am very, 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 very impressed with the ride quality. It doesn't feel bouncy. It doesn't sound loud as far as road noise. It's a perfect balance. This kit, this aftermarket kit from this dealer, you definitely, if you're in the, okay, let me start over. If you're in the market for a full-size luxury pickup truck in our area, North Florida, or if you're anywhere and you just are inquiring about these things take to aftermarket kits very well. I just want to let you know that. If you want one that's already done, factory spec'd out, then yeah, of course, call my crew. But I'm just impressed how well this vehicle holds these units together, these big tires and this lift kit. I keep saying that over and over. It's very impressive. Great job, Dodge, and great choice, Coastal, for choosing this package. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. So we're about to get into one of our speed zones. Currently it's Route 55. Give it a little acceleration run. Wait till y'all hear this exhaust. This exhaust is mean too. So here we go. That sounds like, that's music to my ear. I can't play the radio in these things anyway, because copyright YouTube and Facebook, but that's enough radio for me. Listen to this. Sound good, dinner? You fill in the blank. And then you got I like this little, I love decals on the front, I guess, because that's kind of what I'm doing with my vehicle, but I love this little decal up here. That looks pretty cool as well. And it just feels right. It just feels complete, like factory complete with this package, man. It's amazing. And that sound, woo, woo. Ain't nothing like a V8, and definitely not a Hemi V8. You can't beat the sound with a properly spec'd out exhaust system. I don't think that's stock. I really don't believe. I'll have to get with my guy and see if that dealer installed option is does anything with the exhaust, because that's definitely not stock. I've driven plenty of Rams and that's not stock. Y'all hang tight. We're gonna get up here. I'm gonna do a turn circle test, a brake test, and then an acceleration test as I head back. So y'all hang tight for that, and give you the livability of this truck. Y'all hang tight. All right, so we're gonna do a brake test right here, going about 57-ish. All right, we're gonna break it down in the turn lane. Nice firm brake pedal. It doesn't feel out of control, even with, once again, with the lift kit. Feels really, really good. Feels really good. Brake pedal, nice firm feel to it. No nosedive. Nothing. No drama. Nothing dramatic. Y'all hang tight. We're gonna spin this thing around, give it a little acceleration test. I want to see the turn circle with this lift kit, see how that is. So here we go. So it turns very well, impressive. And then we're gonna go ahead and give it an acceleration run. Man, ain't nothing like a Hemi V8, bro. That sound is mean. Dang, that exhaust sounds so good. Very, 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 very good. Very, very good. Good job, guys. And oh yeah, while I'm thinking about it, let's talk about the visibility. Y'all see what I see pretty much. My camera's right on my forehead, so you're getting my point of view for this virtual test drive. Visibility. Of course, you're way up in the air. You don't see things directly in front of you, but nobody should be directly in front of you. It's got sensors up there anyway. But this massive hood with the bulge in it. It's the Hemi E-Torque 5.7. Sounds good. It feels perfectly placed in this vehicle. You got these big tow haul mirrors here with the blind spot extra mirror on the side. So if you're towing something, you know, you got plenty of visibility there. A pillars are small, even with the grab handles right here. B pillars they're good. And then, you know, the visibility as far as the lighting, I can pop this sunshade back and get more lighting in here in this dark interior. Nice touches. Get around this joker. And it's just perfect. It's a perfect combination of everything you need from a pickup truck. The practicality, the livability, the off-road prowess, if that's what you need for this truck. You got that big bed in the back. You got plenty of room in the back seat. It's just perfect. P-E-P-U-R-R-F-E-C-T. Perfect. So let's go and head on back. There's nothing else I really need to say about this. This is great. This is great. Y'all hang tight. Salud. So yeah, oh man. All right, crap, I can't even talk. I love this truck. This is perfect. Perfect. So we're going, this is downtown Quincy. I just wanted to give you all another look of, another perspective of how this thing feels driving in city traffic. It's pretty cool. It's epic. It's perfectly matched. Everything is great. I mean, it's not overbearing with the height and all that stuff. It's just it's a great combination, great package, great truck from the beginning. And I'm just so blessed to be able to bring this stuff to you guys and gals. Cool truck. Cool, you can't beat it. Listen to that. Could you not get used to that? Every day, cold starts on this thing. Every day, giving it a little bump in the accelerator. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It sounds so good. So anyway, I'm about to pull it back into the lot here. I gotta put the dealership little balloon things back on here. I didn't want them flying off when I was driving. So yeah, it's just perfect. And it just feels at home driving this thing. It just feels at home. It just feels so easy. So in conclusion, check out this particular unit down in the description. I'll have all the information for the dealership, all that good stuff. And I'll have all that information for y'all shortly down in the description. Go holler at my main man Skylar, Sean, all the crew over here. They're awesome. It's such a laid-back dealership. And yes, these things do well with lift kits and big tires. They feel just as stock as they can be. Check this one out. You won't be disappointed. I'll see you guys and gals soon. Till the next time, God bless you, God keep you. Let's go from there. See ya. As I get ready to park this, I was finally able to figure something out about this truck. This truck has a Flowmaster exhaust on it. So I'll still have to confirm that that this is part of that package, the Eclipse by Sherrod package. But as far as I know, and what I've seen, it does have a Flowmaster exhaust on it. So that's pretty awesome. And it sounds great, by the way. Flowmaster.